Rotorua is renowned for its fabulous hot springs and geysers that are absolutely everywhere. Situated at the heart of a volcanic zone, the city is the North Island's most popular tourist destination. Steam and spray constantly cloud its streets, and the scent of sulfur hangs heavy in the air. While its parks and nature reserves are home to vents, fissures, and lakes, a sizable Maori population invigorates the town with their art, culture, and history. Number 5. Bay of Islands. The Bay of Islands is one of the most popular holiday destinations in New Zealand.